we're asked to split the worksheet into two horizontal panes at row 23. We're going to select row 23, and on the ribbon we're going to select the View tab, and then the Split menu. And notice now that we've got this gray horizontal bar. We can now move this horizontal bar, and we're looking at the worksheet of this workbook, but we have two separate views. So I can actually look at row 23 up here in the top view, or the top pane, but I can also be looking at row 23 in the bottom pane. So I've got two horizontal panes here, and each one has its own separate scroll bar. In the top pane, display the pledge transactions, and in the bottom pane, display the total row. And so they're looking at something like this. We're going to lower that down here so that we can see the total row in this bottom pane, but up here is the actual transactions in the top pane.